My name is Emma Haber and I am a senior at Bowling Green State University, majoring in inclusive early childhood education. I was inspired to become a teacher. Both of my parents are actually teachers, so I grew up around teachers. It runs in the family. The more I was around it, the more I realized how much I like working with kids and helping people learn. I did know that Bowling Green had a really good education program for any grade level of teacher. It's one of the best in the state for becoming a teacher, and they prepare you the most, and I've honestly felt that going through the program with how the classes have gone, how many different places I've been. The program has set me up for success in a lot of different ways. They really try to place you in a bunch of different places, suburbs, rural, inner city, and the classes that they give us are really good because the professors for those classes have given me so much experience in different students, different circumstances. Everything that you need to know as a teacher has been addressed in the different placements they've given us, and it's really great. I have had many interactions with students throughout my time in the program that have solidified that I'm in the right place, because when you see a student that you've been working with and they just don't get something, and then the moment it clicks and you can see their confidence boost and they understand it, it just makes you feel so good to know that you helped them get there and you helped boost their confidence and helped them learn. So I've had a lot of those moments, and I really love seeing that, and that's really solidified that this is what I'm going to be doing.